Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into VNS Finance account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for vnsfin.com. Then here you'll have two options. You can either log in through client login, or if you are a branch member, then you can go through branch login. For now, we are selecting client login option right over here. Then you just have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, enter your client ID. Then enter your password. Then select which year you have joined. Now you have to re-enter this alphabet. If you forgot any login details, then you can simply go through these options right over here. At last, click on sign in button and then you will be successfully logged in into VNS Finance account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.